guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're going to be opening 8 different Skybusters. These are Matchbox on a mission airplanes. I can't wait to check them out. Here we have the Snow Explorer. Wow, look at those colors. It's red, white, and blue. I love how the wings lift up at the tips. And look, it has landing gear perfect for snow. Our next Skybuster is the Backdraft. Look at those engines! I love that you can see them all the way through. And these wings are really cool too. Look, there's wheels! So you can roll them or you can fly them. Our next plane is the Sea Arrow. Look at that tail! And we have a propeller. There's a 98 on the wing. And it has wheels on the bottom, so you can fly it or you can roll it. Here we have the dual tail. This is a pretty neat green plane. You've got the plane right there, but then off the wings we have the tail of the plane. There's also wheels on the bottom. I love the bright green and yellow and black together. It looks so cool. Here we have a cool helicopter. This helicopter has some engines on the top. It has this propeller that really moves. And it also has a propeller on the back. It's red and white. Next we have the Fang Fighter. Wow, check out this black plane. It's got water on the wings. And it's in the shape of a shark. Here's his fin. And here's his tail. And there's his jaw. Wow, it really opens and closes. Look at those sharp teeth. This is a really neat plane. Our next plane is the Hypersonic Jet. He's faster than the speed of sound. He's silver and blue and black. He's got the number 70 on the wings. Look at how sleek he is. I'm sure he can go really, really fast. Our last plane is the MBX Hyper Jet. Wow, this is a small machine, but it's really strong. P-1272. You can see his engine in the back. There's the front of his engine. That's so cool. We have lots of planes ready to fly through the air. Which one is your favorite? Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.